everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. On today's show, make salad dressing Thousand Island. Let's talk about making the salad dressing. I'm going to make a Thousand Island salad dressing. It's the easiest thing in the world to make. I have the salad all in a bowl, and I have one of these. I get them from the dollar store. They actually come in a 2-pack, and I like them a real lot. They're just a squeeze bottle. They represent the ketchup and mustard bottle that you've probably seen. So here's the ingredients that you need for Thousand Island. You need some garlic, mayonnaise, ketchup, salt and pepper, pickle relish, and apple cider vinegar. Now we'll move all this off to the side and we'll get started. Let's put our pickle relish in first. I'm going to put in about a spoonful. Nice and slow so I don't make a mess. Now I'm going to put in some pepper. I'm going to put in some salt. Mayonnaise. Gotta shake my mayonnaise. Put your mayonnaise in. There you go. Then you want to put in some ketchup. Some garlic. Chop it, mince it yourself. I just bought this from the dollar store. This is just a minced garlic. I also have it in a squirt bottle, which is roasted garlic. The roasted garlic is where they take olive oil in a frying pan. They cut the garlic bulb in half, they roast it, and then they grind it. Then for vinegar, you don't need much vinegar. Do this to taste. Just take a little cap, put some in a cap, put it inside. Then you have your ingredients. Just put it in your bottle and give it a shake. That's Thousand Island salad dressing. And it will be better than the stuff that you buy at the store, because you'll notice I didn't put any sugar in it. I didn't put in any monosodium glutamate. There's no preservatives. All of this is fresh and will be a delicious meal. That's today's quick tip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in the lower right-hand corner. And if you'd like to be notified about future shows, click the bell. It's right up on the top. And also, more information is at my website, jamestdds.blogspot.com.